Got a phone call on a rainy day. Said Mr. Dawson has passed away. Been years since I walked those streets. Now I'm back with ghosts to meet. Church bells ringing, dressed in black. Every memory pulling me back. Family staring, whispering low. Something felt wrong, I didn't know. One last goodbye, one last prayer. I stepped toward the casket there. Then the whole room faded away, 'cause I saw my own face today. Same old scar above the eye. How could I be the one inside? My hands went cold, I couldn't speak. The ground beneath me felt so weak. Everybody said it's Mr. Dawson, but all I saw was me lying in that coffin. My sister asked, "What's going on?" I said, "Tell me who you buried." She looked at me like I lost my mind. Said, "Marcus, you're acting scary." I looked again, it hadn't changed. Every feature looked the same. My heartbeat racing out of time. Questions running through my mind. Was I dreaming? Was I blind? Did somebody steal my life? Who is he? Who am I? Why does nobody see what I see? Then the whole room held its breath, standing face to face with death. I leaned in close to see once more my reflection behind that door. The funeral man closed the lid, but just before the coffin hit, those silent eyes opened wide, and they were looking right at me. To be continued.